Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lesson, I would like to describe the numbering in Advanced Tool and taking drawings after that. The first of all, when we finish the model, like this model, we have this model I have finished, and this one, we have to number first. After that, we can take the drawings from this. We have two types of drawings, as we know. It's two types of drawings. It's assembly drawing and single part drawing. And this clears here. We can see these assembly layers, assemblies, and we can use the parts. Okay. So first, let me delete this one because I have numbered before. So let me delete this one, assembly, and this is the switch between assembly drawing and single part and preliminary numbering. So now we have this model. If we look at any number of it, it's without any numbers. This is prefix of it. So now in output tab we choose numbering, and here the window of the numbering we can choose some things of it. The first of all, post number method, we have 4 tabs: assembly group, none, SP single part number for main part is equal to the assembly number, or this one, single part number for standard part is equal to assembly number. We will use this one because it means that assembly number and single part number will be the same name, Also here in the single part we are use 1. It's so it starts 1 from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Also in assembly numbers, like that. So I choose apply and hit OK. It takes a little time, like here. It takes a little time. It depends on how much the model is big, is large. This is the columns. If you look at this, is when you choose any one of it, it will be highlighted like this, and this like the others, 1, 2, 3, and this one. Okay, so now we finished the numbering, and we have to take drawings. For taking the drawings, we have, as we said, it's assembly drawing and single part drawing. Also, we have take some general drawings like 3D drawing and top view drawing, side view drawing, and front view drawing. Now let me for taking this general drawings like 3D and these, we have we used cameras. Let me delete the cameras so I can put it now. Yes, as we know, we could put the camera at top view, only at top view. So when we put a camera, let me put a camera here in the modify. If you don't have this tool, it's here, the home tab and advanced tool palette. After that, after we open this window, we go to tools, and here we can create camera, and it's UCS, as we see at UCS. This is create camera at node. If any node, if we use any node, we can create a camera, but now we choose this one, create camera UCS. So let me use here. If you look at the camera, here the type of the camera, you can choose any one of it. Let me choose none. And here the description of the camera, let's write top. And here the style of it, the style, which style we are using here. Let me use 3D view, all assembly labels, with labels. It means it with labels, and the scale of it 1 to 100. And here the limitation of the view. We can use the limitation. It means this one. Let me. If we look at this is limitless or boundless. Okay, and there is no limit. When you use this one, it starts, or it gives us from the top of it to the bottom of it, from top to bottom. It's all the way it gives us. But now let me limit this one. For example, where I want to, from the top, if we front view, choose I have front view. Okay, from this point I want to 50 centimeters top and 50 centimeters below. So when we make drawings, it doesn't show as this one. So okay, so double click and detail box in the front and rear. It's about 50 centimeters, 500 millimeters. We can add some extra, or any number you can choose it. It doesn't mind. Okay, so we know, or we can see this limitation. This is the first one. And if we want to take a 3D view, we are choosing in the corner of it, of this cube, and write UCS, enter, and now we change the UCS to the view. So we choose, we hit V and enter, or we can hit here. It changed now. Another time, create a camera, use this node. Let's overview, no, it doesn't mind. We can write 3D, and the style is the same thing. In the style assembly, and 1 to 100. Let's this without limit, because we want to give us all the 3D model. When let us go to output type and drawing process manager, or let use a drawing process. Hit here to be changed with user. This is for the user, because I edited before this one. I have this style. So I choose these two cameras and go to cameras, and we are using cameras selected A3. So each one of these camera will be, or each drawing will be on a A3 paper. And the drawing starts from 1 and hit OK. As you see, it starts processing the drawings. So now and go to document manager and details, click here with this on this sign, and after that we have two drawings. This is top view, and this is the 3D. We can hit control and choose these two and open drawings, so we can see the two drawings that we made. As we see, this is the general drawing with the 3D 3D general drawing. Okay, we can use this one or change this one by double click. We can put the part name, as you see, part name. For every one of it, we can choose the same method. So this is the general drawing. Let me close this one. No. And this is the top view parallels. In the same way, we can double click, put it part here, part name, or its length, or its lot and pace, or its material, whatever we want. This is the profile of it. So no, again, now we want to take single part drawing and assembly drawing for each one of it. For this purpose, we are go to drawing process manager and go to user, drawing process, assemblies, and first of it assembly. First of all, we can use this one. We can hit here properties. This type, as you see here, I modified before. I prepared some styles like for the assembly, for the plates, for single part also, as you see. Okay, after that hit use. As you see, select main power with attached parts. Okay, so first I should select them. After that, drawing process manager here, because this one is the use. It starts from 1, and okay, it needs some more time. Because it gives us for every element, every different element, a separate drawing on a separate sheet. We will wait till it finishes. Now is finished. Again, document manager. This is the two drawings that we made before. This one, the column, as you see. This is the purlin. This is the truss 1 and truss 2, because we have two trusses. We can also open the drawing and modify anything we want. Open drawing again. As you see, we can use this hidden line, or we can bring this hidden line. We can select like this, right click, advanced multi-edit, and beam properties. Here we can remove these two lines. This is the 3D view of the column, and this is the dimensions of it. we have a splice connection at 3350, and this is if you see, this is a part name and a single part, because this style I prepared before. This style it contains single part, and it contains single part and assembly part, or plates, also plates. So it contains three things. This is the base plate. We have two plates, base plate and this plate F1. You see, we can change this one also. We can this numbering by double click here. We can choose whatever we want. For example, we want only the part name, so part name assembly. Okay, this is assembly. We can use also part name single. As you see, this is F1. We can use the dimensions. For example, width times length times width times thickness. Here, or we can use also part name. After that, like this, whatever you want, you can put it. Even we can change the color. Blue. This one has to be red. Okay, we can and this is the bill of quantity of this assembly. The quantities, the weight, lengths, materials, and area. This is for painting, and the weight. As you see, this assembly contains, this one column of it contains 142 kilograms, and also this one, if we can double click where in a clip, we can close this one and check clip X. Okay, so there's no clipping now. So it gives us the column as it is length. This one, and check this one also. So we see this is the part, the bigger part or the larger part, the taller part of the column, and this is the smaller part of the column. We can save it after that or not, whatever you want. And this is the assembly of the truss. We can now also we can use or we can remove the all hidden lines. So beam properties, hidden lines, and system line, like this. And 3 times M1. This 3 times M1. What's M1? M1 we can use M1. It's L 20 by 20 by 2 millimeters. It's the its length and its area, and it is weight. This is all single part of the tubes. In the same way, we can use this one and check the clips for all of it. Or we can change the type of the of the clip. For example, normal clip. Okay, you see it shows us it's clipped. And this is top view, and this is the side view of the trace. So we finished this one. We took the single part numbering and general assembly drawing and general drawing, also single part drawing. If you have any question, please let me know below in the